Hi, my name is Satish Alavarthi, working as assistant professor in mechanical department. Today, I will explain about diesel power plant. This is the second unit in power plant engineering, and lecture 1 I will start. In second unit in diesel power plant, mainly first one is introduction and plant layout with auxiliaries. Next topic, fuel supply system, air starting equipment and supercharging. These are the contents in second unit in diesel power plant. This is a internal combustion engine parts, because a diesel engine is belongs to internal combustion engine. So internal combustion engine parts are cylinder head, piston rings, Gudgeon pin, connecting rod, crankshaft, crank, engine bearings, flywheel, governor, valves, fuel pump, fuel injector, combustion chamber. These are the internal combustion engine parts. Now I will explain how diesel power plant working. Diesel power plant mainly working on diesel cycle. It's a simple layout of diesel power plant. In the diesel power plant, having main parts are engine, air intake system, exhaust system, fuel system, cooling system, lubrication system, engine starting system and governing system. These total systems are main components in diesel power plant. Now we are explain individually and we will discuss in each system in this topic. And observe the diesel power plant layout. Fuel tank, diesel engine, exhaust, generator, compressor, lubricant oil tank, oil cooler, cooling water pump. These are the one of the components in diesel power plant. First, I will explain each part. Engine. This is the main component of plant which develops required power. The engine is used for directly coupled to the generator. What is the engine means? Which mainly develop the required power and it is coupled to the generator. And second one is the air intake system or air filter system. The function of the air filter is to remove the dust from the air which is taken by the engine. Main function is which eliminate any dust particles in the air. In diesel engine we have 4-stroke diesel engine we are used in diesel power plant. In diesel power plant containing piston completed the 4 strokes. First stroke is suction stroke, second stroke is compression stroke, third stroke is power stroke, fourth stroke is exhaust stroke. When suction stroke, inlet valve is open, the air is admitted into the cylinder. In compression stroke, at the end of the compression, the fuel injector will be operated. The fuel injector spray the fuel and both fuel and air mixed inside the combustion chamber and it ignited because of it having self-ignition property of diesel. So due to self-ignition property of diesel, high compression causes it is ignited and it develop the heat energy. Due to cause of heat energy, again piston moves from top dead center to bottom dead center and it is expanded. It gives the work output. After burning of the fuel, the exhaust will be released into atmosphere through exhaust valve in exhaust stroke. These are the process involved in diesel engine. In exhaust system, the exhaust will be exit from the exhaust valve. In that time, inlet valve remains closed. Fuel system. Fuel is supplied from the fuel tank with the help of fuel pump that is injected to the fuel injector. In the fuel injector, the area of cross section will be gradually decreases, and that due to cause of area of cross section, the fuel is atomized at the end of the fuel injector, that is spray into the combustion chamber. Cooling system. Cooling system helps for to cool the engine and remove the heat from the engine. We have two types of cooling systems are there: water cooling and air cooling. Lubricant system. Lubrication system used for to eliminate the friction in the motion parts. A diesel engine, inside it containing the mechanical parts. That mechanical parts is moved by the supply of heat energy. You have to eliminate the friction between that parts with the help of lubricant system. Engine starting system. This includes compressed air tanks. The function of the system is to start the engine from cold by supplying the compressed air. You have to initially starting purpose by using compressor. You have to start the engine. Governing system. The function of the governing system is to maintain the speed of the engine constant irrespective of load. That is the main point. Main function is to maintain the constant speed with irrespective of load on the plant. This is done by the varying fuel supply to the engine according to the load. So these are the main auxiliaries involved in the diesel power plant. When crankshaft will be rotated, generator shaft also will be rotated because of here crankshaft and generator shaft coupled. When crankshaft is rotated, generator shaft also will be rotated, and generator gives which converts mechanical energy into the electrical energy. So output is delivered electrical energy. So this is the working of the diesel power plant. Okay, thank you so much.